10 survival gadgets on Amazon. Did you know that nearly half of all survival experts say the most valuable gear is the one thing you didn't think to bring and never replaced? It's a harsh truth. In critical moments, the right tool can make the difference between scramble and success. Today, we're showcasing 10 survival gadgets available on Amazon that you may overlook, but once you see what they can do, you'll want them in every kit. From headlamps that guide you through pitch-dark trails to multi-tools that replace a toolbox, these gadgets are more than gear. They become lifelines when the unexpected hits. Whether you're prepping for wilderness ventures or everyday emergencies, these picks are next-level game changers. Ready to step up your survival kit? Let's dive in. BioLite Headlamp 330. Rechargeable. Imagine having a headlamp so smart it dims automatically when someone walks too close and holds its beam steadily for deep night adventures. The rechargeable BioLite Headlamp 330 delivers 330 lumens with multiple beam settings and tilt adjustment, comfortable enough for long treks yet rugged enough to survive drops and rain. Trusted by hikers and campers alike, this lamp illuminates your path without draining batteries, though, like any rechargeable device, you'll need to plan charging before long excursions. Ever fumbled with a flashlight while trying to set up camp? This frees your hands completely. With its long battery life and smooth beam options, the BioLite gives serious illumination for serious travelers and might just become your favorite nightlight in the wild. Leatherman Tread Multi-Tool Bracelet. What if your multi-tool was just a stylish bracelet on your wrist? That's exactly what the Leatherman Tread offers. Wearable, TSA-compliant survival tools, ready whenever you need them. Packed with screwdrivers, wrenches, and cutting tools, it adapts to countless situations while doubling as bold wristwear. Though it's not suitable for heavy structural work, it excels in everyday fixes and improv solutions. Think of it as emergency style with purpose, no bulky kit required. Ever gotten to a campsite only to realize you forgot a screwdriver? With this bracelet, you're always armed. For travelers who need utility and fashion in one, this gadget is ingenious simplicity in action. MSR Windburner Stove System. Cooking outdoors shouldn't test your patience or endurance, and the MSR Windburner Stove System proves it. Featuring a sealed system design that protects flames from wind and maximizes heat for boiling water in minutes, it's ideal for survival cooking or quick hot meals. The stove's efficiency means less fuel to carry, but remember, fuel demand increases significantly in colder, high-altitude conditions, so always carry extra fuel canisters. Imagine having a hot meal when temperatures plummet. Survival essential. Rugged and intuitive, the Windburner turns fire into comfort and proves hot food isn't just luxury, it's strategy. Garmin Tactix 7 Pro GPS Watch. In survival scenarios, navigation is survival, and the Garmin Tactix 7 Pro is a wearable compass, map, and tactical ally all in one. With precision GPS, topographic maps, solar charging, and built-in night vision compatibility, it's engineered to navigate the toughest environments. The catch? Advanced features demand practice to unlock their full potential, and battery life needs solar exposure to stay topped off. Ever pulled out a phone only to find no signal or dead battery? With this watch, your wrist becomes navigation and planning command central. Durable and loaded with mapping options, the Tactix 7 Pro redefines survival timekeeping. Bushnell Engage Binoculars. When every eye-level detail matters, wildlife, terrain, shelter spots, you need optics crafted for clarity and speed. The Bushnell Engage Binoculars deliver vivid, edge-to-edge sharpness with wide field view and high contrast, even in low-light conditions. Rugged and waterproof, they stand up to heavy use, though using them in rain or fog still requires wiping lenses to prevent distortion. Ever missed a game trail or rescue signal because your naked eye failed? With these binoculars, you see farther and clearer. For hunting, scouting, or long-distance observation, they elevate situational awareness to a whole new level. SOG Seal Pup Elite Fixed Blade. Need a survival knife that doesn't flinch under pressure? The SOG Seal Pup Elite is a military-grade fixed blade designed for chopping, slicing, and prying with ease. Heat-treated for toughness and offering full tang construction wrapped in a comfortable grip, it handles wood chopping, rope cutting, and shelter building reliably. It may be heavier than smaller knives, but that weight is strength in your hand. Ever tried to chop branches with a flimsy blade? This one hits like a mini machete. If you need a survival tool that won't quit, this knife delivers power without compromise. Thermacell Trekker Mosquito Repellent. What if you could create a mosquito-free zone around your campsite without sprays, lotions, or coils? The Thermacell Trekker hooks to a belt or backpack and emits a quiet field of repellent that keeps bugs away for hours. It's a simple, hands-free way to avoid painful bites or no-see-ums that ruin comfort and safety, especially in tropical or marshy conditions. Heat and fuel cartridges limit runtime though, so stock extras for extended use. Ever been eaten alive while sleeping outdoors? This gadget gives peace in green zones where insects strike fast. Lightweight and effective, it's a tiny device with big, protective promise. Fenix PD36 TAC Tactical Flashlight. When darkness falls, a light that fails becomes a liability. The Fenix PD36 TAC is a reliable tactical flashlight offering a powerful 1,600 lumens on high and long distance beam reach while enduring impact and water dips. Compact yet rugged, with tactical tail switch and multiple brightness settings, it's built for emergencies, patrols, or nighttime navigation. The downside: high output drains batteries fast. Carry spares or recharge quickly to stay safe. Imagine stumbling in the dark with an unreliable light. Scary, right? With this torch, you own clarity, control, and confidence in complete darkness. Jetboil Flash. Cooking system. Survival cooking should be fast, safe, and simple. Jetboil's flash cooking system boils water in under 2 minutes thanks to its insulated cooking cup and flux ring burner. It's efficient even in chilly or windy conditions, making it perfect for hydration, rehydrating meals, or warming up. But yes, you'll need fuel canisters and stable ground to set it up. Ever sat shivering while waiting for cold water to boil? With Jetboil, heat arrives at lightning speed. Lightweight and intuitive, this system is an essential tool for campers, backpackers, and survivalists who value speed. And if seconds matter, Flash delivers. Gerber Center Drive Multi-Tool. Every kit needs a multi-tool, but Gerber's Center Drive takes it a step further, with a full-size driver aligned with the tool's center for maximum torque and control. Add in pliers, scissors, blades, and screwdrivers, and you have a toolbox you can clip to your belt. While it's heavier than minimalist tools, it offers unmatched leverage and precision when working under pressure. Ever tried tightening a screw with no grip or power? This tool makes tough jobs easy and fast. Rugged and refined, the Center Drive transforms DIY into Done It, a workhorse multi-tool that's built to help you fix, build, and adapt anywhere. If these gadgets gave you pause and made you rethink your survival kit, smash that like button, subscribe for more gear deep dives, and drop a comment with your favorite pick or what survival project you're planning next. Preparedness starts with great tools, and these 10 have you covered no matter where the trail takes you.